Hello everybody, I'm back again for another video today, and by looking through our new phone, I'm gonna start this video. I previously made a video about this phone and of the fingerprint sensor and Face ID, the charging animation. I've put a link down below, just click it and you watch the video. Okay, so let's get moving. Budgies. So number 3 is Budgies. The Budgie is a small bird, long-tailed, seed-eating parrot, usually nicknamed the Budgie, or in American English, the parakeet. Budgies are the only species in the genus Melopsittacus. Naturally, the species is green and yellow with black shell markings on the neck, back, and wings. What's more, I'm gonna tell you about the age of budgies, how it vary from budgie to budgie, and in captivity, budgies live in an average of 5 to 8 years, but in lifespans of 15 to 20 years have been reported. The lifespan depends on breed, lineage, and health, being highly influenced by exercise and diet. Cockatiels. So number 2 on our list is cockatiel. The cockatiel, also known as bearded bird or quarian, is a small parrot that is the member of its own branch of the cockatiel family, endemic to Australia. They are prized as household pets and companion parrots throughout the world, relatively easy to breed, and we can keep them with budgies. What's more, I'm gonna tell you about the incubation period of cockatiels. On average, cockatiels incubate eggs for about 20 days. What? Macaw. So, the number 1 is the macaw. Macaws are a group of New World parrots that they are long-tailed and often colorful. They are popular in aviculture or as companion parrots, although there are conservation concerns about several species in the wild. What's more, I'm gonna tell you about the cost of this bird. Purchase or price of a macaw starts at $700 to $18,000. Mini macaws generally have startling price of $700, and larger types of macaws like green-winged, military, and Hankins macaws probably cost anywhere from $1,500 to $10,000, sometimes even up to $18,000. What? The cost is so high on macaws. Epic tile. And now for the epic tile of this video, I'm gonna tell you about lovebirds. Lovebird is the common name for the genus Agapornis, a small group of parrots in the Old World parrot family Statuae. Of the 9 species in the genus, 8 are native to African continent. The gray-headed lovebird native to Madagascar. What's more, I'm gonna tell you about the favorite foods of lovebirds. Vegetables such as carrots, broccoli, zucchini, squash, cooked sweet potatoes, and dark leafy greens such as romaine, kale, cherry, darren, turnip, or collard greens make great lovebird food. Bye bye everybody, subscribe and hit the like button If you have something to say to me, just comment down below. And for others to enjoy this video, just share it. Bye bye.